everybody, this is Justin with Saunders Realty. I'm excited to show you a new condo that we have up for rent. This is located in the Spring Garden condominiums near downtown Winston-Salem. The address is 665 North Spring Street. To the left here is Spring Street, just at that stop sign. That is West End Boulevard. This is very close to Broad Street and very convenient to Business 40. Okay, so coming in the front door, this comes right into the living area. So this is the living room. You have an opening into the kitchen there. This is an area here for a dining table and chairs. It's coming down the hall. The kitchen is to your left. Includes a stainless steel oven and refrigerator. To your right, as you come down the hall, is the bathroom. Closet to your left. Then this is the bedroom. And closet. So again, this has been Justin with Saunders Realty. If you'd like to see this apartment in person, you can visit our website at rentwinston.com. You can call our office at 336-939-6275 or email us at info@srealtynow.com.